This is a video on the quadratic formula. Perhaps I'd increase the radius a bit here. We all know what the quadratic function is, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That is actually a quadratic equation. The left hand side is the quadratic function. Now a, b, c are coefficients. Now the solution to this equation can be easily found using the quadratic formula, which is this: minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now the b squared minus 4ac part is called the discriminant. In some cases it's called the discriminant, and there are multiple cases that are possible. If the b squared minus 4ac, when you solve it, if it is equal to 0 exactly, then the solution, you will just have one solution. If you have a positive number for b squared minus 4ac, then you have two real solutions. If you have a negative number for b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, then you'd have two imaginary solutions. So let's do a short example to explain the quadratic formula. Let's solve for x in the following quadratic equation: x squared. Let's make it 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. We could see that's a, this is b, that's c. So a is 3, b is minus 2, c is 4. The solution is given by minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. All I have to do is plug in. So I'd get minus of minus 2, I'm plugging in b, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is minus 2 squared, minus 4 times a is 3, c is 4, divided by 2 times a, which is 3. So I will get minus of minus 2 is plus 2, plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48. You get minus 48 divided by 6, which is 2 plus or minus square root of minus 42 over 6. That discriminant is negative, and earlier I mentioned that if it is negative, we will have two imaginary solutions. So we are going to have two imaginary solutions. You could write it as 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 times 42 over 6, which would give me 2 plus or minus I, which is the square root of negative 1, square root of 42 over 6. Therefore my solution set for x is 2 plus I root 42 over 6 and 2 minus I root 42 over 6. And that is how you use the quadratic formula to find the solution to a quadratic equation. Thank you.